Tuesday, 24th October. Be watchful. You must be ready, for the Son of Man is coming at an hour you do not expect. Today, the Mother Church remembers Saint Anthony Mary Claret. He was a spiritual man from a very young age. He was devoted to the Church and received a call to religious life. Furthermore, he had profound compassion for the poor and continued to assist them throughout his life. He also had a great devotion to the Blessed Sacrament. His life shows us that one man can make a difference by using the talents that God gives us. In the first reading of today, St. Paul presents how the existence of sin came into the world through one man, the first Adam, and that because of his disobedience, all were made sinners. On the contrary, by one man's obedience, we were made righteous and are brought into a new and eternal life. It is through the new Adam, Jesus Christ, that we are justified and saved from the transgression. He humbled himself before God, even at the point of death on the cross. In today's Gospel, Jesus is inviting us to be alert, keeping in our hearts open like people who are waiting for their Master to open the gate when he knocks on the door. Saint Anthony Mary Claret's profound experience of Christ, who suffered on the cross, led him to be with the poor, assisting them in their needs. Today, we are invited to be watchful and active, thus welcoming Jesus into our hearts. Pray and practice. Loving God, enlighten our hearts and minds to be watchful and active while Jesus knocks at the door of our hearts.